Jracking is more than a racking manufacturer. After 22 years of growth, we have become a global warehouse solutions group. Founded in 2004 and headquartered in Nanjing, China, Jracking combines global manufacturing, overseas operations, and end-to-end project services. Many customers focus only on price, but the real risks in a warehouse project are poor design, unreliable lead times, inconsistent quality, and a lack of local support. These are exactly the challenges Jracking has been solving for the past 22 years. Our strength begins with manufacturing. We operate 3 production bases in Danyang, Tongling, and Da Nang, covering a total area of 165,000 square meters. With an annual capacity of 100,000 metric tons, we ensure stable production, consistent quality, and reliable lead times. Through our BHD companies in Australia, the United States, and Vietnam, our local teams provide fast and responsive support. Our products are delivered across Europe, North America, Australia, New Zealand, the Middle East, and beyond. With more than 5,000 containers shipped every year, we do more than manufacture racking. We provide complete warehouse solutions, from design and engineering to installation and after-sales service, meeting major international standards, including CE, ISO 9001, AS 4084, ANC RMI, CWB, and EN 15512. We are trusted by more than 5,000 customers worldwide. From standard pallet racking to advanced ASRS systems, we deliver customized solutions quickly and reliably. Jracking. Delivery certainty for racking projects.